What are arthropods? Look around you. Whether you're in a garden, a forest, or even your own home, chances are you're never far from an arthropod. From the butterfly dancing between flowers to the crab scuttling along a shoreline, from the spider weaving its web to the millipede winding through leaf litter, arthropods are everywhere. They make up roughly 80% of all known animal species on our planet, with over 1 million described species and potentially millions more awaiting discovery. But what exactly are arthropods? The name arthropod comes from the Greek words arthron, meaning joint, and podos, meaning foot-jointed legs being one of their most distinctive features. But these remarkable creatures share much more than just jointed appendages. Arthropods are invertebrates, animals without backbones that possess an exoskeleton, a hard external shell made primarily of chitin, a tough, flexible substance similar to our fingernails. This armor-like covering protects their soft internal organs and provides attachment points for muscles, allowing for incredible strength and agility relative to their size. One of the most revolutionary adaptations in arthropod evolution is segmentation. Their bodies are divided into distinct sections, often specialized for different functions. This modular design has allowed for extraordinary diversification, enabling arthropods to adapt to virtually every environment on Earth. The phylum Arthropoda is divided into several major groups, each with their own fascinating characteristics and evolutionary stories. First, we have the insects, by far the largest group, comprising over 2/3 of all known arthropod species. If you're picturing a bee, a beetle, or a butterfly, you're thinking of an insect. Their body plan is elegantly simple yet incredibly versatile: a head with sensory organs, a thorax bearing 6 legs and often wings, and an abdomen containing digestive and reproductive organs. From the rainforests to the Arctic tundra, from mountaintops to underground caves, insects have conquered nearly every habitat on land and in fresh water. The diversity of insects is staggering. Consider the complex societies of ants and bees, with their division of labor and sophisticated communication, or the dramatic metamorphosis of butterflies transforming from crawling caterpillars to aerial acrobats. Some insects, like cicadas, can remain underground as nymphs for 17 years before emerging to sing and mate. Others, like dragonflies, have remained largely unchanged for over 300 million years, perfecting their design as aerial predators. Next are the arachnids, spiders, scorpions, ticks, and mites. Unlike insects, they sport 8 legs and lack wings and antennae. Most arachnids are predatory, with specialized adaptations for hunting. Spiders produce silk from specialized glands, creating webs of incredible strength and elasticity. Some spiders can detect vibrations so subtle they can feel the movement of air displaced by a flying insect. Scorpions, with their venomous stingers and powerful pincers, have remained largely unchanged for hundreds of millions of years, living fossils that have perfected their design. Then we have the crustaceans, primarily aquatic arthropods including crabs, lobsters, shrimp, and barnacles. With their calcified exoskeletons, they've become the armored knights of the ocean. Crustaceans range from the microscopic copepods that form the basis of many marine food chains to the Japanese spider crab, which can measure up to 12 feet from claw to claw. Many crustaceans possess specialized appendages that can be modified for swimming, walking, feeding, or defense, a testament to the versatility of the arthropod body plan. The myriapods, centipedes, and millipedes showcase segmentation taken to an extreme. Centipedes are swift predators, with each body segment bearing a pair of legs and the first segment modified into venomous fangs. Millipedes, by contrast, are gentle detritivores with 2 pairs of legs per segment, slowly processing dead plant material and returning nutrients to the soil. Some tropical millipedes can have over 750 legs, though despite their name, none actually has 1,000. The trilobites, now extinct, dominated the oceans for nearly 300 million years before disappearing in the Great Permian extinction. Their fossilized remains, with their distinctive 3-lobed structure, provide valuable insights into arthropod evolution. What makes arthropods truly exceptional is their ability to adapt and specialize. Their exoskeletons, while providing protection, also create a challenge. Unlike vertebrates, which can grow continuously, arthropods must periodically shed their rigid outer covering through a process called molting or ecdysis. During this vulnerable period, they expand before their new exoskeleton hardens, allowing for growth. This constraint has led to unique life cycles like the dramatic metamorphosis seen in many insects. The ecological importance of arthropods cannot be overstated. As pollinators, insects like bees, butterflies, and moths are essential for the reproduction of flowering plants, including many of our food crops. As decomposers, numerous arthropods break down dead organic matter, recycling nutrients and maintaining soil health. As predators and parasites, they help control populations of other organisms, including potential pest species. Arthropods also serve as critical food sources for countless other animals. Krill, tiny shrimp-like crustaceans, form massive swarms that feed the largest animals on our planet, blue whales. Insects provide essential nutrition for most birds, many mammals, reptiles, and amphibians. Humans have complex relationships with arthropods. We harvest crustaceans like shrimp, crabs, and lobsters for food. We cultivate honeybees for their honey and pollination services. Silk from silkworm moths has clothed people for thousands of years. Yet, arthropods can also spread diseases, damage crops, and invade our homes. The success of arthropods lies partly in their reproductive strategies. Many produce enormous numbers of offspring, compensating for high mortality rates. Others invest in parental care, guarding eggs or even young. Some reproduce asexually, while others engage in elaborate courtship rituals. This reproductive flexibility has helped arthropods adapt to changing environments and colonize new habitats. Their sensory systems are equally impressive. Compound eyes, consisting of thousands of individual light-detecting units, give many arthropods exceptional motion detection. Some can see ultraviolet light invisible to humans. Their antennae and specialized hairs can detect chemicals, vibrations, and air currents with astonishing sensitivity. As we face global challenges like climate change and biodiversity loss, understanding arthropods becomes increasingly important. Their short generation times and sensitivity to environmental changes make them valuable indicators of ecosystem health. By studying how arthropods respond to changing conditions, we gain insights into the broader impacts of human activities on our planet. From the depths of the ocean to the canopies of rainforests, from polar regions to deserts, arthropods have conquered Earth through diversity, adaptability, and sheer numbers. Their evolutionary innovations, jointed appendages, exoskeletons, segmentation, have proven so successful that they've remained the dominant invertebrate life form for over 500 million years. The next time you encounter an ant carrying a load many times its weight, a spider constructing its intricate web, or a butterfly undergoing its magical transformation, take a moment to appreciate these remarkable creatures, the arthropods, masters of Earth's biodiversity. For more on arthropods, find a link to Earth.com in the description.